Hey you guys, good morning. It is June 23rd. It's June 23rd, and I just decided to pick up the camera today. Nothing really on my agenda right now. I'm getting breakfast ready. I'm gonna make a turkey bacon BLT, and then I have hash brown sticks with some spicy ketchup on the side. So that's what you get going. My my air fryer is cooking the hash brown sticks right now, and then I have the turkey bacon in the oven because, honey, I don't feel like standing in front of the stove. And then today, I guess it's just like a little mini vlog. I'm gonna pack up some of my books because I am moving out in a couple of months, and I'm gonna water my garden. So actually, I'm gonna show y'all my garden. So let's go take a look. This is my little garden that I have going on. So this big beauty right here, this is Cucumber Lena. And she has like a few little cucumbers growing on her right there. That is a petunia flowers. Yeah, petunias. This is a bell pepper plant, carrots, broccoli, carrots, and more carrots. So this is my little garden, and I actually need to water. They all got some water. So, okay, just got finished watering. Put my watering can right there. This is the outfit of the day inside the house. I have on this grits t-shirt by the YouTuber Isis Aaron. Girls raised in the South. I was raised in the South. And this is the culture right here. So, I love this t-shirt so much. And then I just put on some black little pants. And then I have on my slippers. So, that is I'm trying to make sure y'all can see me. That is the outfit for inside the house today. I probably mentioned before, I still haven't did a life update, but I am engaged, and I got these from Hobby Lobby, y'all. Like this, me and my soon-to-be husband, we're gonna be drinking out of these at our wedding. So more details to come, but I needed these cups. They're so cute. This is the lovely air fryer that I got, Drew Barrymore. She's done. Here are the hash brown sticks. I'm so excited for those. Here's our bacon. Oh, Lord Jesus. Here's our bacon. I almost dropped it. I have the hamburger style. Girl, I got hamburger buns. I don't even know why I'm trying to be fancy. So I'm about to eat, and then after that we're gonna get into what books I'm packing up and what books I'm gonna keep out because I want to read them. So I will see y'all in a little bit. Yeah, we are back, and y'all, when I say that breakfast, lunch, brunch hit, that turkey bacon BLT was so good, and them hash brown sticks. One thing about it, HEB, like that brand for them hash brown sticks, delicious. 10 out of 10. Okay, y'all, so let's get into this packing of the book. Now we're over here where my bookshelf is. It goes all the way down, and then underneath I have books. So starting with this top, these are like my Tracy Brown collection. I'm going to pack her up. I did buy this book early this year. I read it, by Enigma. Great meeting him. I also read Making Love to a Dope Boy by my friend Candy Marie. Great read. And all the rest of these, other than my little cactus. You Are God's Masterpiece. My friend Jazz gave this to me. And then my man got this for me when I was having a bad day. You're Ducking Great. Love that. So Tracy Brown up here. And then my girl Desiree, her series is right here. Shelf, I don't really plan on reading any of these before I want to pack up. So probably this whole shelf is going to be packed up. Y'all can see I have Asada, The Miseducation of the Negro, But Not Buddy. Like, I got classics. I have Becoming by Michelle Obama, Cicely Tyson's book, so, and poetry. So this is what this shelf is. Shelf is just, I got some more classics on here, and then random books that I got. I love Sarah Dessen, love her down. I'm probably gonna pack these up because I'm probably not gonna read them. And I got like these cute, I believe I got this for my birthday from Coworkers because I love sunflowers. And then I got this, I don't know if I got this on my birthday too, but it's either my man got this to me or Coworkers. And then he did, however, give me this one when he asked me to be his girlfriend because I love butterflies. Then we're going to move down to this one. This is the urban fiction classics along with Zane over here. We're probably going to put all of these up. Yeah, I've read these multiple times. I love them. They're going to be packed up though. This level is probably going to be packed up too. It's all of Sister Soldier books. Love her down. And then I have the True to the Game whole series right there that I read. So all of these are going to be packed up. At the very bottom we have the whole Twilight series and the whole 50 Shades of Grey. I'm going to pack it up because I don't have the desire to read it right now. These are, I feel like I'm going to read these like in the fall. I have my wonderful like beat book collections right here. So I have like the whole The Hate You Give series. I have the whole Blood and Bone series that I have not read yet. I have the whole series of Unfortunate Events. These are magazines in my Chanel book. I also have Harry Potter. And I have the dictionary, thesaurus, and vocabulary builder that I have. On this side, I have a whole Harry Potter like Lego set that I have yet to build. I can't wait to build it though. If y'all have not noticed yet, I am a Harry Potter fan. And then speaking of Harry Potter, I got the whole series back here. I love Harry Potter down. I have the whole, let me move my my little photo book. But I have the whole Bluford series. All 20 books, y'all. All 20 books. All 20 of them. I feel like I have to wrap this. Am I gonna read any of these? Probably not. So I'm gonna pack this up. And then I have my like OG books that well, not all of these are OG, but like Hendrix by Miss Candace. I know her. Love that book. Had to buy it. And then I found like Rick Ross books. I bought Hendrix when she was selling it. I found this Rick Ross book in Dollar Tree, A Hustler's Guide to Building Your Own Empire, and I was like, oh, I can like use some advice from this book to write my books. Bad Politics by my friend. Love this book. This is also by her, The Richest Men on Earth. Pimpology, I got this from my dad. And then these books are actually books that I had like when I was a teenager and my mom was trying to find me something to read. So Trouble Follows, Indigo Novel, Dirty Jersey. And then I also had this book. I love this book, Getting Even. Y'all, this book right here, loved it. So these books, these 3 books I have had since I was a teenager. I'm in my 30s now. Love these books down. So just sitting here looking at all these books, a lot of these are about to be packed up, and I'm like, how should I pack these up? Because I'm not going to read them right now. I think like my series books that I don't have like wrap on or anything, I do have bubble wrap, but I'm like, how can I keep them safe? So I'm gonna figure that out, and then I'll be right back with y'all. So let me know if y'all enjoyed seeing me pack up my books, enjoy my breakfast and things of that nature. And hopefully I will have more motivation to pick up my camera and record, because y'all know I be leaving and coming back. But soon enough I will have an update video for y'all. And yeah, make sure y'all subscribe, like this video, leave a comment if y'all have been subscribed to me since the beginning. And I am hopeful to see you guys in my next video. Bye.